Okay, so I'm going to replace a water spigot. Since you see the pipe is all corroded, I'm just going to heat it up and twist it off. Hit up that solder. And of course, you're going to shut the water off and you're going to drain the water out of the pipe before you start doing this. I want to replace this section of pipe. So I'm going to heat this 90 up and knock it off. Like that. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a new 90 on there. Just going to put it on there a little bit. It's going to be a lot easier probably just to take a measurement. Okay, carry around a little tape measure. So the measurement was 3 inch and 3/4. 3 3/4 inches. Take my blade. Mark it. Take my pipe cutter. Line it up on the mark. Tighten it up. You want to keep spinning it a couple times. Tighten up some more. Spin it. Tighten up some more. And then I like to ream out the pipe, because now you have this beveled edge. So I use these strippers just to get that edge off. They make a special tool for it, but I find out this just works just as good. Do the other end. I think it's the stock end. But I still clean it up. So now we're going to have to clean all the pipes. so solder can stick. Nice and clean. So we're gonna brush the insides of the 90 so we have something for the copper to stick to. Same thing on the other side. Spider webs. So we're gonna clean the spigot. And now I have to clean this. So I'm going to sand that solder off with some sanding cloth. Grab your flux brush. I use water-soluble flux. So we're going to put our 90 on first. Slip that 90 on. Then we're going to put our small pipe on. So we're going to flux this. And then also we're going to flux the spigot. And then put it all together. That's in. And then okay, that's in. And actually, I forgot to flux this pipe right here. You guys probably seen that in the video. Sure it's all together, and it's time to solder. For 1/2-inch pipe, if you want to bend, this is a cool little trick. You bend little 1/2-inch squiggles in the solder. See how much solder to use. Same thing for 3/4, but you'd be, instead of doing a 1/2-inch squiggle, you'll be doing a 3/4 inch squiggle. Okay, so time to start bringing some heat without burning the house down. I'm gonna bring it on. It'll start sucking in. Almost. For cosmetic reasons. So right now we're checking for leaks. And everything looks good. You always want to run your finger along it, because sometimes you might not be able to see the water. And everything looks good. And then you want to make sure to wipe the pipes back down in case you left any flux on them, so it doesn't eat through your pipes throughout the years. And that is how you solder.